This lesson is on the natural logarithm. You have y equals e to the x, which is your natural number, and so the inverse of that will be y equals log e to the x, which we're going to call ln. Okay, it's spelled ln or pronounced ln, but it's the natural logarithm of x. It's a logarithm base e. Okay, so if you ever see natural or the ln, that's what that means. That means natural log. That means you've been dealing with a base of e in an equation. And because they're inverses of each other, if you ever see them side by side, the natural log and e, or e and natural log, it doesn't matter which order they're in, they actually cancel each other out. They neutralize each other because they're inverses of each other. So in a question, if you have natural log of e to the exponent of 3, these two things are opposite of each other. They're going to cancel each other out. The answer is simply going to equal 3. If I have the natural log, I have e to the m divided by e to the n. If I do a little simplifying on what's in the brackets first, this is dividing, which means subtraction. Natural log e to the m minus n. Dividing means subtracting. Now I have down to one exponent, one logarithm, natural log e side by side. The answer is simply m minus n. Express as a power of e. Okay? Express as a power of e. So 5 equals something. So I have e, the natural log 5. The e and natural log cancel each other out, so really it's just like a 5, but here I'm replacing it. E natural log 5. Now I can put natural log 5 in the calculator. It gives me 1.609, so really e to the 1.609 is number 5. Okay, so find x if the natural log of x equals 7. Okay, so what I can do here is I can put the e on either side of this equation. So I can do, whatever you do to one side, you can do to both sides. So if I put an e on either side, okay, the natural log and e cancel each other out. And so I'm going to have x equals e to the exponent of 7, and you can put that in your calculator. So, oops. I can do that by going e to the exponent of 7, and you're going to get 1096.6. Okay? So this is just a very short lesson on the natural log. It's the inverse of the natural number of e. If you ever see it in an equation, it just knows that you're dealing with a base of e instead of the other bases that are in logarithms. Thank you very much.